everybody! Welcome back to my channel, Cooking in Siargao. In this video, I'm going to share a very simple dessert. Of course, after we eat, we need something sweet. We call that in Philippines panhimagas, right? So now, I'm going to show you very simple. Only this one, cream, heavy cream, and I have a strawberry. At least we're using a heavy cream and then we have healthy fruits, right? And powdered sugar. We're going to make a gravy first, mga cooking ina. Very simple is this. So we do like this, mga cooking ina. We estimate how much cream, mga cooking ina. So this is 5 deciliters, so I use like 3 deciliter, mga cooking ina. This is very simple, mga cooking ina. If our texture of our gravy is something like this, mga cooking ina, we're going to add our powdered sugar. So, we like this 1 tablespoon, mga cooking ina. We continue. Our cream is low steady na, mga cooking ina. Look, mga cooking ina, our gravy is like this. Diba? Our cream. So now we're going to prepare our strawberry, mga cooking ina. Look at the strawberry, it's beautiful and it's big. So we do like this. We just cut this one. We make it 4 because it's big, the strawberry, mga cooking ina. This one first, and then we're adding our cream. Let's do like this, mga cooking ina. Then next, very simple this to prepare. And it's fruits, mga cooking ina, diba? So, and then we additional another cream. Okay, this one is small, we're going to cut in 2. So, then we're going to add another layer of our gravy, mga cooking ina. Very simple, right? Very sajun, mga cooking ina, to make this dessert. My children, especially my youngest son, this dessert is his favorite, mga cooking ina. And then more for the final fine big one. So now our dessert is ready. So now, mga cooking ina, look, it's a heart. So this is very simple, mga cooking ina, and I'm going to try this before I'm going to serve in our dining table with my children. We try first, mga cooking ina, if the sweetness is okay. Perfect, not so sweet. So I'm going to try the strawberry. Where's it good? Love it. It's very good, mga cooking ina. So now, thank you again for joining me here in my kitchen, making a very simple dessert, mga cooking ina. And please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button for your notification. Bye! God bless!